In this tutorial, we will show you how to view your commission statements and download your T4A. To begin, click on the Commissions tab across the top of the screen. Click the Run button to the right of the commission statements. Select the statement month. The default will be PDF, but you can select Excel if you would prefer it in spreadsheet format. Click Run and the document will download at the bottom of the screen. Once ready, you can click Download and it will be available to view. To retrieve your T4A, click the Run button to the right of where it says T4A Slips. Select the report year and click Run. Your T4A slip will appear at the bottom of the screen for download. Select the Download button to view. That concludes the Viewing Your Commission Statements and Downloading Your T4A Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.